here. So as the composition goes, I'm just going to try to slide it right next to it and keep it right in there. Again, building a cylindrical shape outside of there, and that's going to get the first part set up. The top of this, you'll notice, has a cover a little bit larger, so if this goes straight up, you can measure this out and make the top of this a little bit larger. So once you have it set in there pretty good, again, this round part is going to be in the center, so you can find the center of the ellipse and indicate that this center goes up from here. It's going to be set further back. And that gives me the initial setup. Again, the logo is set over here, so I'm going to put the baseline and the height line for the text. This part has a thickness tapering out. And then again, this is just the pattern of the solder. Building that up. Gets a little thicker because of the thickness of this piece. This part coming around. I can kind of get it set up there pretty easily. And again, go in heavy. Once you have it, go ahead and start in with a heavy piece. With the lettering for Odie, kind of doing it at an angle so that I can build this up. So you're trying to create rectangles that represent the lettering. So there's the O, the A, T, E, Y, and the Y has an underline going across, so there's that part. So that's what I mean. Once you see something that's going to be a detail and it's pretty heavy, you can just do it once and be done, placing that in there. So that gives you that initial selection there. And any of this other text, the part here that says it's a round text coming around, give a baseline and a height line for some of it. And that's just going to wrap itself around. And the highlights and stuff are going to be covered in there. And the part in the front says lead free, so again, trying to set that in there. Some of the text in there. And then you can shade right around it. Some of the text as it goes horizontally. There's the bottom of the logo. You can kind of create some Greeking in reverse of the lettering, so you're just seeing the white lines coming across. And that builds that part up. And again, something like this pattern. Here's the curve of this section. does the same, kind of wraps itself around here. And the same on the bottom. So the bottom of this has a little sections cut off, so you just have to extend it. You have it. So there it is. So now when you shade this, you can kind of just rely a little bit on the eraser picking it out too. Get some of the tones going across. A little bit of the shadowing here. A little bit of the shadows underneath. And come back in. And then pick. This is the part where you pick a pattern. This particular line, kind of looking at close at the metal. And then come across a little further. And do another one. Kind of do another one. You can see the parts that are taken away with from the highlight you can pluck out with an eraser as well.